Hi, it's Ant. Been a while since I've made one of these. I hope you're well. We have moved around the house. The house has been moved around. We've had building work in, and we've finished it in the other room now. I am in the process of moving everything from that room, which was railway related, into this room. This room is going to be the studio room. My wife gave me the idea, believe it or not. She said, you need a place to put all your stuff. It's untidy, and we don't have a door on that other room. Well, we do, but it doesn't shut properly. And you still have to walk through it all anyway to see the kitchen, which begs to differ, is it worth it? So we have moved into the old living room. It's a bit of a tip at the moment. We'll make that go away. I'm on my knees at the moment because there's nowhere to put anything and I'm just trying to sort everything out. So yeah, the idea of this is the railway is going to move here into this room. I need to reconfigure everything because the tables technically don't fit this room. And I need to buy a computer desk for the corner so we can have streams. We've got a spare settee, so this is going to be used as the podcast area where we're going to invite guests over. I may get a little chair just to go there. We've already got lighting and stuff. I just need to get everything moved over now and sorted out. So content is going to be coming back. It's just going to take a while. October, November, we'll have a hit the ground running. I've got loads of projects in the works. I have filmed something about 10 times and still not happy with it. So I'm going to film it again. I've been taking courses on better filmmaking, how to frame things, how to be better at speaking in camera. Been watching a lot of tips and tricks. So hopefully this comes across a lot better. I know it's messy. It looks messy. But when it's all done and said, we'll have a dedicated place to host podcast. I'll be able to have my studio equipment out all the time. Because at the moment, if I want to do anything, record like one of these videos, I have to get everything out, record it, put it all away, and then find someone to edit. So yeah, this room will be dedicated to that. I'll be able to keep it a lot cleaner, be able to have a lot more storage, and just be able to close the door. And hopefully that will make people more happier because that means I can show you more in-depth progress of what's going on with the railway. Nothing's happened with it since we last spoke. I have laid it out and then had to take it all down because of this building work, because the railway was situated where the building work's been done. Yeah, I'm glad it's all over and sorted. And just a little quick update to say I'm still here. I still love you all. I still think you're all amazing. It's just, I'm sorry, life's been difficult. September, I always tend to have off anyway because it is my wedding anniversary and we go away and I just want to spend some family time. And content creating can be difficult. It's a mental game. It's a mind game, content creating. You sort of get into your own mind and are people really enjoying what I'm making? And you start questioning yourself. But I've decided to ignore that voice. I'm trying to be a bit more organised and a bit more me and not allow other things to control and dictate myself. So I'm doing more of what I want to do. So I hope you stay tuned for that. I hope you subscribe to the 2 podcasts that I'm thinking of doing. Next bus stop is next stop driver is coming back along with a new one, which may or may not be on this channel. I'm not sure. I might just make a new channel for that one. But yeah, so it's all go in this cookhouse. So I'll see you very soon, and I hope you're all having a great time. Keep on enjoying the buses and rails, and keep on chatting to me on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you would like to see in the transport world. We have a film on ticketing and the types of tickets to travel around Lancashire. We have a film on Wycollar, travelling to Wycollar on the bus. I cut the bus bit out because it was a bit long, because it's a long-winded, going visiting Wycollar in Colne, great day out in Lancashire. We have one coming about Darwen trams, one coming about history of Blackburn buses, and some about places you can visit in Lancashire this winter. So they're all in the works, they're all scripted, it's just going out and filming it, and I've been doing 50, 60 hours, so I do apologise. And I've got another mentor, trainee, so every time I think I'm going to make headway, work gets back involved. So yeah, very sweaty, very hot and bothered, but I just decided randomly I'm going to turn the camera on and make a video about things I'm seeing in my house, and it's all going to come together and be amazing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this 5-minute little rampage rant about an update of what's going on, and yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.